Now that our fabric is so fresh and clean, we still need to prepare it to take the color in a process called mordanting. The process of mordanting cellulose fabrics is divided in 2 steps. In the first step, we apply a layer of tannin into the fiber. Later on, we apply a mordant agent. In this case, we're going to use aluminum acetate to the fabric, so that when we add the dye can attach with the fabric. I like to think about this process as a puzzle. So we have our fabric and we want to apply color to it, which is the dye. But as you can see, the dye will not attach to the fabric properly. To do so, we're first going to need to apply a tannin that will attach with the fabric. Later on, we apply the mordant agent, in this case aluminum acetate, that will attach with the tannin. And at the end, we're going to apply the color or the dye that will bond with the aluminum acetate. In this case, we're going to create a strong bond inside the fiber. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply the tannin to the fabric. To tannin the fabric, we're going to need 10% of the weight of the fabric in a tannin extract. I normally use gallnut extract. So I'm going to weigh 10% of the weight of the fabric in gallnut extract. Remember that our fabric is 100 grams, which means 10 grams of gallnut extract. We have our 10% of gallnut extract, and we're going to need a plastic vessel like this one. So we're going to fill this plastic vessel with hot water, 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. So here I have 1 liter of water. We want to use enough water so that the fabric can move freely. I'm going to pour another liter of water. In the last liter of water, I'm going to dissolve the tannin powder. So we apply the tannin first. Powders always go first. And then we pour the water. And then we're going to stir and mix really well. We do this to make sure that all the tannin is completely dissolved before pouring it into the plastic vessel. Stirring that water as well. If this is the first time of you using a tannin extract, I recommend to use gloves, because even if we are dealing with natural things, or you can have an allergic reaction to them. Now that oral tannin is completely dissolved, I'm going to check the temperature to see if the water is warm enough. So I have a temperature of 44 degrees Celsius, which means that we can put the fabric inside. We're going to squish the excess of liquid. And put the fabric inside. As every process in natural dyes, we're going to stir the fabric so you can take the tannin evenly. Now we're going to leave the fabric inside for 1 hour. Our fabric has been inside our tannin bath for 1 hour. Now I'm just going to remove the fabric from the bath and slightly rinse it to remove any excess of tannin. We're going to use rubber gloves take the fabric, squeeze the excess of water, and now we're going to rinse the fabric. Once the fabric is all rinsed, it's ready for the next step. It's really important that when you tanning the fabric, you go ahead straight away to apply the Mordent agent. You can go ahead and click in the next step.